Hi guys, today I want to show you how to bring your garden furniture back to life. As you can see, the chair on the left is dirty and dull in colour. The chair on the right is the one that I've now brought back to life that looks like new, and now I'm going to show you how. Firstly, I'm going to show you the materials to use. You need a magic sponge, a bottle of Ziff or Jif, depending how old you are, some soapy water, washing up water with a sponge, and finally a hose pipe. Now for cleaning the chair. We have the magic sponge, wet the magic sponge, apply your Ziff, and then we start cleaning the chair, making sure that you rub quite vigorously. And for this purpose I'm going to show you half of the chair that I'm going to clean. Hopefully this is not going to take too long, just to give you an idea. Ordinarily I would be a bit more thorough doing this, but for the purpose of the video I will be doing it a little bit quicker. Once you're happy with what you've done with the magic sponge, rinse off with soapy water. And finally just hose down the chair. Just for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to dry this off a little bit. And that's how you clean your chair to bring it back to new.